Why are you doing that ugly face? Stop.
Yeah, do it again, do it again.
Can we stop like right there at that
Stop
light?
where?
Again, Daddy.
Hold on. It's a beach, so you can go swimming down.
Ouch! Why do you have to mess with me? I kinda wish we were at the front.
The front. What are you talking about? And what's up back there? We're almost there.
Feel good.
Oh, fuck. What did you say?
Babe, no. We're gonna get out in a second, okay?
Rosa, don't do those faces. Do a pretty face.
Okay.
See, you rose.
He wants one.
There you
Are we almost at the castle?
No, we are not at the castle.
Dad,
go. No.
we're not almost there.
That's crazy. This was built 85 years ago. I like circles though.
Why are you complaining, you?
Can you move this pillow? Can you move my feet first?
Dude, look at that. You see
Holy
that white?
smokes!
That's when we were here last time. It was all the full. It was full 4 years
What's
ago.
happening, Diego?
What's down here, buddy?
Yeah, look at his hair goes so crazy. Hey, Rosa.
Yeah, give me your hand. Right?
You want to show Rosa?
I did, yeah.
Oh no, I'm doing a video. Alright, be careful.
She likes it, man.
She likes everything. Why is the wind making her hair go like that?
Again.
That's so cool.
Yelly, yelly.